So today I decided to take a walk and actually film it instead of just taking pictures. This path leads down to the old cemetery where the nuns were actually buried. Yeah, you might see snow everywhere, but it's beautiful here. And I don't have to be startled every time I hear a car because they're not allowed to come in here. I can just imagine what it's going to be like in spring. Maybe I'll see it sometime. Let me just walk a little bit more. When I say I came here not knowing where I was getting myself in or what I was getting myself in, it was my decision to come to Charlevoix. But I didn't know I was going to be in a religious town, like very religious. Very religious. I have nothing against religion. It's just that I stopped believing a long time ago. When life gets hard, or when you had a hard life, you don't believe in religion. But look at the view. It's amazing. It is. And we're still walking on the same path. It's where the nuns, when they died, it's the path that they walked to go to the cemetery. Yep. From the place they lived, I think it's called a convent or something. Not really sure. I have to check it out. They used to walk this path when they died, like the other nuns would take the body and to bury it. It's really not too far away, but not too close. And on this field, like all over the place, they would plant corn, carrots, and vegetables. It's an amazing place. Really amazing. I'm glad the bus driver has given me a lot of information about this place. Look what I just found. I had to turn back. One says, please keep your dog on a leash, and the other one says, please do not feed us. Help us stay healthy. And they're right there, so I'm gonna go see them. Oh, you're so cute. They're so cute. I'm happy I did the whole round. Okay, found my way back on track to the main road. I do feel like I'm in a movie. Like a really old movie. Yeah, the cows were there where you see the buildings. I'm in the middle of nowhere. And to be honest, it's a beautiful day and I am enjoying my walk alone. It's a few things that I enjoy doing. Exactly, being alone. In the middle of nowhere. There are people passing and there's more people coming, but the view is to die for. I think I've said it in another video. Let's make it to the cemetery. It's at the end of this road. So we made it to the old cemetery. I think I'm going to forget my English, but we're not going in this time. I'm just going to continue the round because I think I did a video about the cemetery with pictures about 2 months ago, or was it a month and a half ago? That's the last time I did this route. But with the sun shining and the snow as if it has diamonds on it, it's a beautiful day to do it again. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like right there. That's where we started. That's the monastery. That's the word, monastery. God, I was calling it. I forgot what I was calling it. It is a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. It's only -12 and I'm enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Sometimes the best things in life are actually free. Yeah, free. And being by yourself to be weird. Let me continue a little bit more. Okay, I've been walking for more than half an hour and I made it to nowhere. There's no way I'm continuing behind there. I haven't seen a human being. And I'm right beside the trees and I'm not sure where I am. Let's go back and continue on the other side. That should be fun. And I'm not filming because as I was walking, I sank all the way down to my knees. Yep, to my knees. These boots aren't made to be walking like the stupid things that I do. But I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're enjoying it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because you like it and leave a comment. Maybe I'll do it again on Thursday if it's not too cold. Yeah, we're back at the cemetery. They're right there, they're right there, they're right there. The tombstones of the nuns that have died. Some have crosses and they're right there, some don't. And I was thinking, maybe you guys cannot see it perfectly, but the view is amazing. And I know in a couple of years from now, I would probably have forgotten the views. I'll be looking at one of my videos and going, wow, and the image, even if it's not clear to you or on video, it's gonna pop up in my brain. And it's gonna be, yep. And the good thing is, I only keep, like, no matter how hard it was, how difficult, how many times I've cried myself to sleep, I only remember the good times. Yeah, that's me. I only keep the good times with me. So I can see myself watching a video and laughing and going, what a year it was. Because there are days like today, which I go, I'm not going to say a bad word, it's F it. There are good times. Like today, being alone and just sucking up this view. I don't know what you guys think, but I would love to read it in the comments because the view is amazing. It's amazing. Oh, there's a sign over there. It says, be careful of airplanes. Hopefully not this season in the middle of winter. Okay, we're on that path heading back to the monastery. But it's making me nostalgic. It's like, look at the trees. It's a path with trees. Like it goes all the way down. And I'm thinking, will I ever get a chance to see these trees be green? Like everything around here be full of flowers. The trees green. Like just before summer. Maybe I'll get a chance again. And come work for the same company in the summer. I know if I want I could stay this summer, but I really have missed my daughter, so, and my friends at Grego, so yeah. But I hope I get a chance next winter or next summer or whenever to come back here. Maybe not the same position, maybe a better one, hopefully. But yeah. So I won't be filming any more of this route for now. When I get to the monastery, I'm going to turn and find another route so we can do. I've only been walking for an hour. And it is cold and I'm not wearing gloves, people. And my face is turning red, so you're not going to see it. But it's an amazing view. It is. That's why I'm filming as much as I can. So we made it to the front of the church, the big one. I've been here like 2 months and wanting to go inside. So I'm getting the courage to actually go see if it's open. But even from outside, it's beautiful. It is a beautiful place. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I was scared of taking pictures and actually taking a video of the place. So I just took like 1-2 pictures and 1-2 little videos. But it is amazing. I'm glad it was open, and I'm glad I got the courage to get in. And I'm glad I did take a little video so I can remember it. Why be afraid? Nothing bit me. I was pretty quiet and actually enjoying it. I think that's what it's life about. Making big memories. Humongous memories. It's a big church. And of course, I didn't film the street with the restaurant. You're gonna see it another day. And we're going to Maxi. The sign's on the other side. Get some donuts, some chips, some comfort food. Yeah, something to nibble on. Until next time we're out. That's on Thursday, if weather permits. But yeah, other people on their days off, they go running to go to the dollar store, Dollarama. McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken that opened here, or to bars. I just take a 2-hour long walk. And let's see what I'm gonna buy, and I'll show you guys at home when my 2-hour walk finishes. Let's find the sign first before I close for now. There it is. So now you get to see me. So I've been out for 2 hours something. It was an amazing walk, an amazing day. It was good. It was good. And I did go to Maxi to get some comfort food. It was less than 5. Like always, I have to save. But just being stuck in a place where I haven't been out in, I don't know, my last 2 days off, Thursday, Friday, I was sick. Before that, I can't remember. So we got discount donuts. That's what I was going for. But I also found a discount apple pie. Haven't had apple pie, like Canadian apple pie, for like 10, 12 years. But it was on discount. And store brand chips. For a grand total of, like I said, it's free, but let's be honest. The walk was free, but I have to spend on comfort food. We spent $4.60 a day. Yeah, $1.49 for the chips, $1.50 for the apple pie minus 45 cents makes it $1.05. And the donuts were $2 minus 60 cents, $1.40. Yeah. And 22 cents in taxes for a grand total of $4.16. I saved $1.05. So I got this for free. If I had paid regular price on the donuts, this would have been free. We're good. I'm good. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm tired. I'm just gonna nimble and relax. Till my next video, because tomorrow I'm working. See you guys.